The third strategy that we're going to use in multi-digit addition is open number lines. You see that I have a number line here that is unmarked, except for my beginning point of 367. I'm going to break this second number down into hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'll start by adding one large jump, which is equal to adding 100. I now am at 467. I added one jump to the hundreds place. Then I'm going to add 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one of those jumps is worth a 10. And I would count 467, 477, 487, 497, 507, 517. Then I'm going to add my 5 ones with smaller jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of those are adding a 1. Notice how the jumps are smaller. It's a visual cue. So this would be 518, 519, 520, 521, 522. So using the open number line can give them a visual to help them with those large multi-digit numbers. Now we're going to move on to subtraction. I also have 3 strategies that I'll show you for subtraction. The first one is called equal addition algorithm. If you set this up, stacking our digits, we notice that in the ones column, the 2 is smaller than the 7. Now, before students are able to learn regrouping and borrowing, we might just add the same number. In this instance, we're going to add a 10. So if I add a 10 to both numbers, I would add it here in the ones place and make this a 12. And then I would add 10 to this number and make this a 6. And now our subtraction is much easier. 12 take away 7 is 5. 8 take away 6 is 2. And our answer would be 25. We did not change the value of the numbers by adding a 10 to both numbers. Our second strategy that I will model for subtraction is called the same difference strategy. You are still going to add to these numbers to make our subtraction simpler. So I'm going to get this to a nice, easy number by adding 3 to my first number. I'm also going to add 3 to my second number. So this makes this 82 and 3 makes it 85. And 57 and 3 makes this 60. Now we have a nice, clean subtraction problem. 85 take away 60 is 25. The third strategy that I'll model today is called the shortcut strategy. We want to make this subtraction problem quick and easy. So if I want to take 57 away from anything, it would make it easy to be 87. 87 minus 57 we could do in mental math. So I would need to add 5 to just my first number. And I would come up with 87, take away 57. 87 minus 57 again equals 30. Now, because I added 5 to the beginning of my problem, I now need to subtract 5 from the end of my problem. So 30 take away 5 gives me 25.